Hello, leading Forex YouTube community. I have good news for you from HFM Broker. The good news is that HFM Broker is giving you 100% deposit bonus. This bonus is totally different from some of the bonuses you've heard of. Now, I have the right to communicate that to you because leading Forex, we are now a verified agent with HFM Broker. And because of that, several opportunities are being given to us to give to you as a community. So it is good that HFM Broker has verified us and have seen our input in the Forex market, and they want to reward our community with a lot of benefits. So please, it's good that you are here as a community member by following us on this YouTube channel. So the first of it is the 100% deposit bonus that they want us to give to you. This bonus started on 23rd of January and it will end on 30th of January. Now I am going to demonstrate and also explain in detail how this bonus can be received and how you can use it to trade the Forex market. Now, first thing first, the bonus can be received, or you can get the bonus if you are an already existing member with HFM, especially if you sign up with them through my referral link. So I am going to give you my referral link if you don't have an account with them. And I will also be able to guide you step by step how you can create an account and enjoy this bonus. If you have already created an account, which is the Shield 500 account, which I talked about the last time, I am going to show you how you can use it to get the bonus. So if you have already created an account through my referral link, then you are qualified to get this 100% deposit bonus. If you don't have an account yet, I am going to give you my referral link so that you can sign up. I will show you the steps to sign up and also get the 100% deposit bonus. It's a free package they want us to give to you here as a leading Forex community member. So this is what I have done. I have created a WhatsApp group, which I am going to use to teach you step by step how you can create HFM account and also how you can just deposit and get this bonus. Okay, so when you go to the description of this video, please, you'll see WhatsApp group link. WhatsApp group link. Just join the WhatsApp group. Once you join there, we'll give you tutorials on how you can create a live account and deposit and get this bonus. Okay, that is step number one. Step number two, you can also WhatsApp us privately. The first number is my number. The second number is my co-partner, which is Lawrence. I'm sure most of you have heard of Lawrence because when we started the Accra Forex Trading Academy, I told you I had a partner, a brother called Lawrence. So we are doing this together. So the first number is my number. The second number is that of Lawrence. We are all a team doing this together. So once you chat any of us, we will be able to assist you. We will be able to help you to be able to create this account or to be able to deposit and get this 100% deposit bonus. So these are the rules. Now, once you make a deposit, okay, when you create an account and you make a deposit of, for instance, $10, HFM Broker will double the $10 for you. So you get $20 in your balance, not in your equity, but in your balance, you will get $20 because you deposited $10. You will get additional $10. If you deposit $20, you will get $40 as your account balance. If you deposit $50, you get $100 as your account balance. If you deposit $80, you get $160 as your account balance. The maximum you can deposit to get this bonus is $100. So when you deposit $100, which is the maximum amount, you will get $100 in addition, making $200. This is going to be credited into your account balance. The good thing is because you are registering through us as verified agents of HFM Broker. So please just WhatsApp me or Lawrence, and then we'll show you the steps. If you don't have an account with HFM, we will help you to create an account with HFM and enjoy this bonus. The bonus will expire on 30th of January. 30th of January. So take note. If you are watching this video before 30th of January, then please quickly get in touch with us. WhatsApp us and let's show you the process to enjoy this deposit bonus, okay? Or you can go to the description of this video. Just join the WhatsApp group. That WhatsApp group is dedicated to teaching you how to get this bonus and use it to trade and make profit. Now, the pros and cons of this bonus. They are giving you the bonus in your account balance. But that doesn't mean that when, for instance, you deposit $10 and they add $10, making $20, you cannot say that you have $20, so you want to withdraw back your $10. Once you withdraw your deposit, they will also take back their bonus. They are giving you the bonus because you have deposited. So if you want to play smart, that okay, you deposited 100 and then they added 100 and making 200. So because of that, quickly you want to withdraw your 100, leaving the remaining 100 they have given you. Immediately you make a withdrawal of your 100, they will also take back their 100. So they are doing this so that you can't just say you want to be smart on them. Deposit, and then when they give you the additional money, then you withdraw your own. No. So take note. If you make a withdrawal of your deposits, they will also take back their bonus. So the commitment here is that you deposit, they add you the bonus, then you use it to trade. When you trade and you make profit, you can withdraw your profit. All right? You are supposed to use it to trade. And when you make profits, you can withdraw your profit. But immediately you start making withdrawals because you want to play smart, they will also start taking back their bonus. So if you deposited $100 and you decided to withdraw $50, they will also take back $50. So you see that your account will be left with $100 because you deposited 100, you took 50 back, and they also took back their 50. You see it? So these are the pros and cons. So take note that the bonus is to help you to trade the Forex market. It is not free money being gotten because you are trying to act smart. So please take note of this and make the deposit. The maximum you can deposit to enjoy this bonus is just $100. You can't deposit more than $100. When you deposit $101, you will not get a bonus. If you deposit $102, you will not get a bonus. You're supposed to deposit up to a maximum of $100. So from $10 to $100. Make sure you don't deposit more than that, so that if you don't get a bonus, you will come back and blame me that I lied to you. No. So make sure the deposit bonus is for those who deposit between $10 to $100. Take note. If you need further guidance to help you enjoy this bonus and use it to trade, please just WhatsApp me or WhatsApp Lawrence, or join the community, the group that we have created, the WhatsApp group. We are ready to guide you, help you to create the account, and then help you to be able to deposit and get this bonus. Is that okay? So please, this is the good news. I am here now as a verified agent. As and when HFM will be giving other bonuses and other packages, I will announce them to you here as a community. Now, another good thing they will be giving out very soon is this cap I'm wearing and this t-shirt of HFM. Very soon, they will be giving us a quantity to share to you here free of charge. We will only need your location, and then we email, we parcel it and then dispatch it to you. So these are all good things that they want us to share with you. They will also be giving a lot of bonuses because you have registered under us, because we are partners with them, we are agents with them. So please get in touch with us. Let's give you the link to register so that you can enjoy all the benefits that will be coming to us or will be coming through us to you, so that you can enjoy it. The purpose is for you to enjoy some benefits through us. So please just join the group. We will give you the link to register. And once you register, they know that you registered through us. Immediately you register through the link we'll give you, HFM Broker knows that you registered through us. And so whatever benefits that they have for my community. Once they give it, you will receive it. So very soon, you will begin to get these caps. Now, as I speak, I have 10 of these caps and 10 of these t-shirts that I want to give out for free. And very soon, I'll be telling you how you can get them. Now, let me even tell you how you can get it. Now, if you want the cap, the first 10 people to create account and deposit for the bonus, I'll give them one of these cap. Each of you will have one of this cap. Yes, the first 10 people. And also, with the t-shirts, if you are able to deposit up to $100, you will get this t-shirt. I'll give you one of this t-shirt. If you deposit up to $100, you get one of this t-shirt. Is that okay? So if you want to get both the cap and the t-shirt, then first of all, you must be among the first 10 people to register. And then also, you must also be able to deposit $100 or more. But the bonus is just $100. So deposit $100 and you are qualified to get this t-shirt and also get this cap if you are within the first 10 people. Because the t-shirt and the cap are only 10 for now. And so I want to give it out to the first 10 people who will register. They will get a cap. And then the first 10 people who will deposit a maximum of $100 will get one of these t-shirts for free. So I am going to check. Once you register and you deposit, I will just let them check for me. Once you tell me your ID, I'll let HFM check for me. If you are qualified, they will tell me, and then quickly I'll dispatch the t-shirt or the cap to you. Is that okay? So please, just WhatsApp us. Any information you need about this bonus and anything to do with HFM, just WhatsApp us. The first number is my number. The second one is that of Lawrence. Once you chat us, we will help you. Remember, this bonus will only last up to 30th of January. After 30th, the bonus will expire. So if you already registered an account, those of you who had the plus 500 account, you can also enjoy this bonus. You are qualified to enjoy this bonus. If you already registered an account through us, I mean, if you registered HFM Live account through our link, then you are qualified for this bonus. So those of you who are the old members who registered an account through us, please just get in touch or do the deposit and you will get a bonus. It's straightforward like that. Thank you. If you have any more questions to ask, please, you can put it on this video or just send me a message on WhatsApp, either me or Loris, and we'll explain things to you further, and then you can enjoy this bonus. My name is Kofi. Thank you for being here, and stay here as a community because we have a lot of packages that are coming, and they will be there for you to also enjoy. I'll see you in another video.